Hi everybody, welcome to another session on financial management. In the previous classes, we were discussing about different aspects relating to financial management. In this video, we are going to study about the financial management process and also the different roles and responsibilities of a financial manager. So, for the financial management process, there are 5 different steps involved in it. First one is to assess the current financial position. Second is to define and prioritize the goal. Third is financial and investment plan. Fourth one is implementation of the plan. And fifth is monitor, evaluate and adjust the performance. So these are the 5 different process involved in financial management. First step is to assess the current financial position. So the first and foremost duty in the financial management process to be done by the financial manager is to assess the current status of the particular organization. So first assess whether they are having sufficient profit or whether they are running in a shortage of finance, whether they are having sufficient working capital. So what is the present situation of a particular company should be analyzed by the financial manager first, and after that he have to define and prioritize each goals. If the company is having sufficient financial status or if they are having a good financial position, then the next step is to define and prioritize the goals. So as you all know, there will be different goals for every organization. There will be more than one goal or there will be more than one goals to be satisfied in a particular year by every business organization. So what the financial manager should do is he have to define each and every goals of a organization, and then he have to prioritize each goal. Some goals should be satisfied urgently, some goals will be important. So they will be prioritizing the goal on the basis of most important and most urgency basis. And then the next step after defining and prioritizing each goal is to have a financial and investment plan. So as you all know, there are different opportunities or different financial plannings available for a particular business organization to invest their surplus amount. So the financial manager should have an analysis on all these kinds of investment plan, and he have to choose a best suitable plan that is available for a particular business organization. Then after finding out the investment plan, next step is to have an implementation on the plan. So as I told you earlier, there will be different opportunities available. The financial manager should have an analysis on all these type of investments, and he have to choose the best suitable plan that for the particular organization. And after that he have to take necessary steps for implementation of the plan. So sometimes they will be investing in any particular investment, or they will be investing in in more than one investment plan. So the next step of financial management process is to implement the plan, and the last one is monitor, evaluate and adjust the performance. So after implementing the plan or after investing in a particular investment policy, then financial manager should do is to monitor this plan, whether it is working well or whether there are any other investment plan that will be most suitable for the company. Or and after implementation he also have to evaluate the plan whether it is working well or not, and then he have to adjust the performance. So if there is any deviation that is happening from the actual performance and the standard one, then he have to adjust the performances. So these are the 5 different processes involved in financial management. First one is to assess the current financial position of a particular business organization. And the next process is to define and prioritize each and every goals of a business organization, and after that they should have a financial and investment plan, and they have to have an analysis on these investment plans, and after that they have to choose the best suitable plan, and they have to implement the plan. And after, the final step is to monitor, evaluate and adjust the performance accordingly. So this is about the financial management process. Then we are moving to the role of a financial management or financial manager. There are different roles for a financial manager in any organization, or there are different roles for or financial management in any organization. Some of them are as follows. First is financial planning, then raising of necessary funds, controlling the use of funds, appropriation of profit, and there are some other responsibilities also. So let us see one by one what is the role of a financial manager or the financial management. First one is financial planning. So the main responsibility of financial management is to forecast the needs and also the source of finance, and then to put the sources into plan for them. So that is the first and foremost role of the financial management. It is to forecast the needs of the business organization. Then he have to find out different sources of finance for meeting all these needs, and after that he have to there will be different sources of finance available for the firm. The financial manager have to choose the best plan suitable for them. That is financial planning. And next is raising necessary funds. So another responsibility of financial management is to supply the company with adequate funds for its operation. Before deciding to raise funds from any particular source, the financial manager has to analyze the cost and benefit of various alternative sources that must be made. The source of funds must be selected after taking into consideration the cost of raising fund, risk of financing, then income of equity shareholders, impact on the capital structure, etc. So the second role of a financial manager is to raise necessary funds to meet the day-to-day operations of a particular business organization. And next one is controlling the use of funds. So the financial manager or the financial management, they will be responsible for the proper utilization of funds, and the assets must be used effectively, and so if they are using the assets effectively, then they can earn greater profits. So outflow of cash must be controlled, and necessary expenditure should be curtailed. This is another one responsibility or role of a financial management, that is controlling the use of funds. The financial manager should control the use of funds. He should manage the outflow of cash, and also unnecessary expenditure should be curtailed, and he should also see that whether there is proper utilization of funds or not. And next one is appropriation of profit. So appropriation of profit is another main responsibility of a financial manager, and he is to advise the top executive as to how much of the profit should be retained in the business as reserves, and how much should be used in repaying the debts, and how much must be distributed to the shareholders in the form of dividend. So appropriation of funds or division of funds or division of profit is another one responsibility of a financial manager. And first first of all he have to give an advice to the top level management regarding the utilization of profits or the reserves that is available for the organization, and he also have to give advice to the top level executives if whether the profit available should be divided among the shareholders in the form of dividend, or whether it should be utilized for repaying the debts, or whether it should be set aside as reserves, or it should be invested in some other sources. So it is the duty or responsibility of a financial manager to give an advice relating to the appropriation of profits. And next, he is also having some other responsibilities other than the above defined responsibility. First one is responsibility to the owners, then responsibility to employees, responsibility to customers or suppliers. He is also having some legal responsibilities also. So let us see what is his responsibility towards the owner. So we all know that shareholders are the real owners of the company. Therefore, the financial manager should not only maintain the financial health of the company, but he should also help the shareholders in getting a satisfactory rate of return to the shareholders. So this is the responsibility of a financial manager towards the owner. We know that shareholders, we are known as the owners of the company. So it is the financial manager who is having the responsibility relating to the financial management of a company. So the financial manager is responsible towards the owners also. He should provide a satisfactory return to the shareholders for their investment. And next is his responsibility towards employees. The financial management should try to make successful going concern capable of providing regular employability at a satisfactory wage, and also they should provide a favorable working conditions to the employees. The employees should give opportunity to participate in the financial decision making process also. So this is another one responsibility of a financial manager. It is towards the employees. So we know that every business organization is working under going concern, or a successful going concern. Even if the owners are existing or not, the company or the business should go on. So some other people will be taking in charge of the business organization. So that is known as going concern concept, and it is the responsibility of the financial manager should provide regular employment to the employees, and the financial manager should provide satisfactory wage to the employees. He should also provide favorable working conditions to the employees, and also should give some opportunity for the employees to take part in the financial decision making process. He should also provide an opportunity for the employees to give their suggestions and their comments relating to the financial decision making process. And the financial manager is also having some responsibility towards the customers as well as the suppliers. So in order to meet the payment of the customer or supplier's bill, an effective financial management is necessary. Otherwise, some people will be providing goods or even raw material to the company, and the company will not be having sufficient amount to meet all those suppliers, and they should also make payment to the customer's bill also. So there should be a proper financial management for managing the customers as well as the suppliers. And another important responsibility is a legal responsibility or a legal obligation. A financial manager is required to consider the enterprise in the light of legal obligations also. He should discharge his duties within the framework of various laws, the rules and regulations, the tax rules, and all these things framed by the government. So legal obligation, legal. So financial matters they should always keep in mind regarding the tax rules and regulations. So as you all know, at the end of the financial year, it is necessary to pay tax to the government. So and also there are some other laws, rules and regulations regarding the running of the company, and this laws, rules and regulations are framed by the government also. So it is the responsibility of a financial manager to meet all the legal obligations of the company. So these are some of the role of a financial manager or role of financial management. First one is financial planning, second is raising necessary funds for the operation of the company. Then third one is controlling the use of funds, and you should monitor whether the funds are properly utilized or not. And fourth one is appropriation of funds in the form of dividend, for repaying the debts or for reserves. So it is the duty of the financial manager to provide advice regarding the appropriation of profit. Then he is also having some other responsibility towards the owners, towards the employees, towards the customers, and he is also having the legal obligations also. So today we were discussing about the financial management process, and the financial management process, and also the responsibilities of financial manager or financial management. Thank you for your attention.